Finally, we have got an official launch date for the Mi Mix 3. The Chinese electronics maker is going to launch the Mi Mix 3 on October 25th at an event in Beijing. After rumored for launch on October 15th, Xiaomi has finally confirmed the official launch date via a poster published on Weibo handle. So, on October 25th all the leaks and rumors will dissolve, and we will get the official Mi Mix 3 device with its new sliding tech. Xiaomi will pull the wraps off from Xiaomi Mi Mix 3 with a new futuristic design. Yesterday, Zhao Novon-sun, global spokesperson and director of product management for Xiaomi, published two different images teasing the Xiaomi Mi Mix 3. In one of the pictures, it is made clear that Mi Mix 3 will be available in 4 different colors. Under the hood, it is expected to carry a Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 with variable RAM and storage options. Due to its sliding design, Xiaomi has added a 6.4-inch AMOLED display, offering nearly 100% screen-to-body ratio. The device will come with an in-screen fingerprint scanner instead of the traditional sensor on the device's body. There's going to be dual camera sensors on the back, a 16-megapixel plus 13-megapixel telephoto lens. There will be 3D facial recognition, along with some AI features, on a 20-megapixel front sensor. It will run on MIUI 9.0, with Android Pie on board, with 18-watt fast charging support. Further, earlier leaks indicate that the Mi Mix 3 pricing will start from 33.99 yuan, $490, for 6GB RAM plus 64GB RAM variant. While the 8GB RAM 256 ROM variant will be available for the price of 5,266 yuan, $760. Xiaomi has revealed that it will come with 5G support and will be the world's first smartphone to carry 10GB RAM. Xiaomi officially confirmed the news via official Weibo handle by posting it as world's first 5G commercial mobile phone. These are the exciting features that come along with the sliding camera tech and full screen display. So guys, what else you are expecting from the Xiaomi Mi Mix 3? Share your thoughts in the comments section down below. And stay tuned with us for more leak and rumors.